How insane optimism is at work in the stock market. Many technical indicators are highly useful, yet the price moves of the stock market really boil down to two things: optimism and pessimism. Major trend turns tend to occur when extremes are reached in either optimism or pessimism. Most recently, optimism has been in charge. The question is, has an extreme been reached? Well, there are at least two signs which strongly point to a yes answer. The first sign to which I'd like to call your attention regards the S&P 500 dividend yield. What you need to know is that stock prices tend to top when dividend yields are low and bottom when they're high. Robert Proctor explains how this is related to optimism and pessimism in his recently published April Elliott Wave Theorist. Investors in a positive mood bid up stock prices regardless of dividend yield, and investors in a negative mood adjust stock prices lower regardless of dividend yield. Yield simply follows the waves of optimism and pessimism. The April theorist provided more insight with his chart and associated commentary. The chart shows that S&P companies' dividends today yield only 1.66% annually. Investors are putting up with that low payout despite the virtually riskless 5% yield of Treasury bills, which is 3 times as much. Stock investors are so bullish that they are certain their capital gains will make dividends irrelevant. The second side of insane optimism is revealed in this March 29th Bloomberg news item. They've become a high-speed, high-risk, high-reward tool in turbulent markets. Options with shelf lives so short they expire in less than a day, known as zero-day to expiry options. Success is far from certain, and even some Wall Street pros don't fully understand them. That hasn't deterred thrill-seeking retail investors from piling into zero-day to expiry options. As the April theorist says, options gambling is another symptom of historic optimism. Looking beyond sentiment extremes, the April theorist also shows the stock market's Elliott wave structure in monthly and hourly charts. The information revealed in these charts is very much worth knowing. Learn how you can access the April Elliott Wave Theorist by following the link below this video.